Hey all, I've been getting a lot of questions about my bed cover, so I thought I'd just do a real quick video to highlight who manufactures it, kind of how it was installed, just some of the details here. So this is a Pace Edwards is the manufacturer. They make a bunch of different bed covers. This particular style is called a bed locker, and then it's in a kind of gloss powder coat. They make a couple different colors. They make a matte finish, then they make a more of a gloss finish. And with the black on this Ford F450, the gloss finish just does perfect here. But like I said, it's an electric bed cover. It's a canister style, so the whole metal aluminum cover rolls up into a canister that takes up a good, I don't know, 12 inches maybe of bed space. Being that it's electric, it comes with these little remotes. You know, personally, I don't carry a remote with me. I do have these, obviously, and I have them available if I need it. But I installed a switch. I'll get into that in a minute. But you can see here, it's an electric, so I just hit the open, and it's opening now. Just kind of hook it up here to give you a little better view how this works. So by the time I can get up in the truck, it's nearly fully retracted here. But you can see that it rolls up into this nice little canister here. There is if your electrical system fails, or the motor on this unit fails, there is a manual release where you can crawl into the bed with the cover closed. Now I also have this aux tank here, which is kind of in the way, but you can reach up underneath here and pull this manual release, and it will let you just manually slide the cover. But that's essentially how it works. Now, being that it's electric, you can open and close it anywhere along the path, right? So it's got a nice locking mechanism where the motor serves as a lock anywhere along this path, which is pretty cool. And then what I did is, I don't like carrying these big remotes with me. Half the time I don't actually carry my keys with me. If I'm camping or I'm at the work site and I need to get in and out of the truck, I just don't happen to have my keys on me. And so with the Fords, there's a keypad on the back, or excuse me, a keypad on the side that lets you unlock the vehicle. That gets my tailgate open. And then I installed a switch. So let me show you what that looks like. The nice thing about this bed cover is it allows for an external switch. And you can see here, now this is not the switch that comes with the kit. You can order this accessory switch kit from Pace Edwards. And then I actually ordered this custom rocker that says tonneau cover with the arrows. But you can kind of see how this works, so it's pretty self-explanatory. So up would be the close. You can see it starting to close there. And then same with the remote, you can stop it anywhere along the path. Anywhere along the path you can stop it, which are pretty nice. So really enjoying the cover by Pace Edwards. Kind of the way I use it most of the time is, with the, so it is now closed, this cover, as you can see. And sort of the way I use it most of the time is I will come, approach the vehicle from the rear, open the tailgate, reach in, and just hit the retract. And to me, that's easier than carrying those remotes around and, kind of taking up your pocket space. I just hit the remote, which is why it stopped. So that's basically it. That's how it works. It's a pretty nice bed cover so far. One of the things with Pace Edwards is they've been around forever. This particular product, bed locker, has been around forever. And so these rails, a lot of times you have problems with these canister style roll-up bed covers, and eventual rail deterioration, or if you damage that rail with just working and carrying stuff in the bed. The good news is you can just buy replacement rails. You can kind of replace a lot of these parts on this pretty easily, rather than having to waste an entire bed cover. So we'll see how the motor and kind of the longevity of the system works. This is my first electric bed cover. It is rather complicated in the fact that it requires 12 volts DC, and it's got an electric motor and all that. We'll see if I run into any problems with that, but overall I'm super satisfied and really dig the cover. All right, well, thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more details, check out the Pace Edwards website. They got a whole line of different covers that are out there. All right, thanks.